Do you want to unblock a person or a profile in the new Threads application? Then you came to the right place. So in this quick and simple tutorial, we'll learn how you can unblock someone in the Threads app. If you've blocked someone on accident or on purpose, but now changed your mind, then let's unblock them. You want to open your Threads application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now you want to tap here in order to go to your Threads profile. When you are on this page, you want to tap on the two lines which are in the top right corner of the screen, and this will open our app settings. The next step is to tap on this privacy option, and at the bottom of the page you'll see a button called Blocked Profiles. When you click on that button, it's gonna open our Instagram app with the block list. If you block someone on the Threads application, the profile will automatically be blocked on Instagram as well. Because Threads is an app made by the same company as Instagram, they are linked, and that's how the developer made blocking work in the app. So this profile is blocked on both Threads and Instagram. Let's tap on this unblock button and then we'll get this little message. It says that if we unblock a person, then we'll be able to message us, see our profile, reply to our posts and other stuff. If you are sure you want to unblock them, simply tap on this button right here, and you've successfully unblocked a person on both Threads and Instagram. If you found this video helpful, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.